everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do the first review of the 31 Nights of Fright Halloween countdown box. So number one, get it open, and inside we have got pumpkin, I just don't think it's anything, but it's like a 3D pumpkin. So that's number one. And I also remembered that I had got another countdown Halloween calendar. So my ghosts are doing number one. I bought this from Temu as well, and this was just a couple of pounds. So we'll also be counting down with this as well. So it's just a quick one. I hope you like the video, and I will see you in the next one. See you later. Hi everyone, today is day 2 of the 31 Nights of Fright Halloween countdown box, and today we will do open number 2. And this one we have got a skeleton. Quite cute actually. So yeah, they're quite cute little figures really. So we have got 1 and 2, and then also number goes to day 2. I hope you like this video and join me for day 3, and I will see you in the next video. See you later.